Assalamualaikum guys. I'm going to unboxing another video. My stuff. So I'm going to share with you what we have right now. So first of all, guys, everybody say hi to your viewers.
Hi.
Look in the camera, please.
Hi.
Yeah. Okay. Could you please tell anybody what we have today for unboxing?
I don't know.
You tell.
I know.
What?
Coffee machine.
Arish, you tell me.
Coffee machine.
Coffee machine. Look there. What we have?
Coffee machine.
Coffee machine. Yes, you guys right.
It's so easy. It's so obvious.
We have this beautiful small coffee capsule machine. I bought this from Aldi. It was on offer.
You own my LD.
Yes, its original price was 60 pounds, but I paid for this one only 20 quid. Big discount. So please go there and grab this one. Let's see. Oopsie.
Probably that thing.
Here we go. Here we go.
Hey, what's me?
Here we go.
Ew,
Oopsie.
oopsie. You open the back after the bag. I need to call it my iPhone.
It's a huge machine inside.
It's so big you can't even pick it up.
Might be I need some help.
I did.
Ahmed, you hold this box from the bottom, please.
No, I hold it. Wait, I hold it.
You don't know how to. Oops, it's stuck inside. Bang. Okay, stuck.
Ah!
Oopsie. This is it.
It's a bottom.
Wow.
Give me pencil. Give me pencil.
Yeah. Nothing inside. There we go, guys.
I want to press it on.
No.
Thank you.
That's like.
3,000.
There's the front side.
It's 1,000. 1,000
This
equals
tray for holding cup.
2,000.
This
1,000, 2,000.
jar is for containing water inside here. This tank for the water. We put some water inside here. And coffee ingredients going inside here.
Hello, Papa.
Inside here.
Papa Ji.
And
Papa
go
Ji.
inside.
Papa Ji.
And if you have a small cup, so and when your coffee ready, so all liquid goes inside here. This is for small cup. If you have a small cup,
No.
so take this out tray and put the cup here. Like. So I haven't used this right now, but
I have it.
it's on offer, very cheap in Aldi. Go
Oh,
there
that's
and grab it.
Oh.
This is the menu. Hope you guys like our video. Please, Emma, guys, say bye bye to you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Have a good day. Have a good holiday.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.